Are you running a Shopify store but not getting traffic from Google? You are not alone. Most Shopify stores struggle with this, but good news is it is fixable. First, they skip keyword research. If you don't know what your customers are searching for, you will never show up. Second, they ignores on-page SEO. That means unoptimized product titles, weak descriptions, and missing image alt text. Third, their site speed is too slow on their mobile experience is poor and Google hates that. And finally, no backlinks without other website linking to your store. Google won't see you as a trustworthy and fix these four basic issues and you will already be ahead of the most Shopify store. Want a free audit for your store? Then drop a comment or DM me. Thank you so much.